of Jeffrey Epstein's victims will soon learn why the financier was able to escape federal charges nearly 2 decades ago. Grand jury records are expected to be released, and Governor Ron DeSantis was in town to help get the ball rolling. Local 10's Glenna Milberg is live to explain. Glenna.
Nicole, Florida's newest law never mentions Jeffrey Epstein at all, but it is tailor-made for his victims first and foremost, and for his whole case, which actually started with kind of a sweetheart deal right here at the U.S. Attorney's Office in Miami. Some of the now women witnessed the signing.
I would really just want to know why was Jeffrey Epstein given such grace and mercy for his inhumane crimes?
What else will decades-old Epstein records reveal?
It would have saved literally hundreds of girls from being put in a position that none of us ever wanted to be put in.
Florida's newest law paves the way to open grand jury records, reveal how and why the late billionaire sex trafficker got away with abusing a network of young girls for himself and possibly other rich and powerful men. Palm Beach, New York, the Virgin Islands.
You had somebody that was very rich and well-connected and was able to engineer an outcome that the average citizen would likely never have been able to do.
I pled guilty to solicitation of prostitution.
That was the single charge Epstein got in a sweetheart deal in South Florida in 2010, a deal brokered in part by then Miami U.S. Attorney Alex Acosta, who would go on to be U.S. Labor Secretary until he resigned over this. Prosecutors in New York did what South Florida did not, indicted Epstein. Where he died in jail a month later, they called it suicide. Florida's new law is specific, disclosing grand jury testimony only in cases where the subject is deceased, the victims are minors, and a court ordered the testimony part disclosed.
I think it's going to be groundbreaking.
Some of those women, now women, think it'll be groundbreaking too. They today said they want more justice. The law takes effect July 1st. After that, anybody can put in a request to see those grand jury records, and there is absolutely an expectation that more dominoes may be falling. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami tonight, Local 10 News.